Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully y'all having a good day today, alright? It's Saturday, and it's a few days after Thanksgiving, so hopefully, you know what I'm saying, the turkey didn't digest it, everybody feeling good, everybody didn't calm down. Today, I am coming back with another storytime video. I see y'all been loving the storytime videos. The last one, I believe, is either at or close to like 10,000 views, and y'all went crazy on the like. So usually when I do these videos, I have to say it like, look, if y'all want to see more of these, then let me know. You know what I'm saying? I go off of y'all. I ain't gonna hold you. So if y'all want to see another storytime video after this one, then make sure y'all smash up the like button crazy. And also, guys, please remember to subscribe to the channel if you are new, because the merch that I'm wearing right now, the Dream Big merch, will be officially dropping when we hit 70K. So I got a hoodie here with me for whoever didn't see, like when I guess you can call it premiered, but I premiered the Dream Big merch on the Air Jordan 4 Fire Red video. But you got the Dream Big across the chest, and it kind of gives you like that V-long type font. And then on the back, you got the world, man. Try to conquer the world, man. Dream Big. I'm super excited to drop these. Like, it took a lot to make through it. Y'all see, like, we got the champion blank, so it is good material. It's between the champion blanks and the one I'm wearing. The one I'm wearing is not champion, but it's still like a very good material. And even like the back, like you feel that. It's not like screen printed. You actually feel that, you know what I'm saying? And then we flip it over to the back, you can actually feel this too. If y'all rocking with these, then comment down below or hit me up on the gram and let me know. But I probably will be giving some away. I got the t-shirts here too. So it ain't just the hoodies. I also got the tees, the Dream Big tees. They definitely going up. I cannot wait to drop these. Y'all know orange is my favorite color. Black and orange is just, how can you be black and orange, bro? Regardless, comment down below. Let me know if y'all feeling those. And also, before you get to the story time, one time, Rejuvenator is having a crazy Black Friday sale right now. Everything on the website is like 40% off. So make sure you head over there to check it out. In my hand right now, I got like one of my favorite products, which is the water stain repellent spray. This is what you spray on your sneakers, let it sit for about 5 to 6 hours, and everything rolls off. Ketchup, mustard, chocolate, water, juice, soda, whatever. This is like my favorite. It's only 18 bucks, so I can only imagine how much it is when it's 40% off. And then last but not least, I want to show y'all the case, the glass cases that they have over here. Y'all know in my glass case, I got the last pair of shoes I've ever worked in before I quit my job and just decided to do YouTube for a time. It was a special moment for me. So, you know, special sneakers that you don't just want in like a sneaker container, or like the ones you really want to be displayed, like the ones that got that meaning to it. Head over to Rejuvenator. These are usually expensive, but with the up to 40% off sale, you can probably catch a steal on one of these. But to click, make sure you use my link in the description, okay? So, telling y'all, use the link down below. It'll take you right over there, and it'll already have the website up with the discount code. But that's if you hit the link down below. You know what I'm saying? Not the discount code, I'm sorry. The Black Friday sale, the 40% off sale. But you gotta use the link down below. All right, so let's get into it, man. Without further ado, I paid so much money for this sneaker. And it don't make no sense. I know all of us probably have regretted to buy a sneaker, but it's not even that I solely regret buying this shoe. I was literally finessed into buying this shoe. All right, so I need y'all in the comments, okay? In the comments, anybody watching, don't be too cool to comment. I know a lot of y'all be too cool to comment. Listen, bro, I've got finesse, okay? This pair of sneakers, I got finesse. I was young, I was coming up in the sneaker game, and I really didn't know my P's and Q's, you know what I'm saying? I ain't really know how to, you feel me? I ain't know the rules like that. I'm gonna break it down for y'all, okay? I was about, oh man, I don't know how old I was, but I was a young boy though, and I really wanted these shoes, man. Actually, without further ado, let me just show y'all the shoes, because I know y'all probably like, what shoes are you talking about? Hey y'all, okay, the Lebron 12s. Now look, listen, I know. Not only did I take an L, man, this should not even popping no more. Okay, but anyway, let me give y'all a story. Let me give y'all a backdrop of this, okay? This is a with the Lebron 12. Now, we all know, especially my older guys, maybe like my younger subscribers might not know, but Nike basketball literally was taking over. Anybody who think I'm cap, you know what I'm saying? You know what? I trust my subs. I know y'all gonna back me up down below in the comment section, so anybody think I'm cap, just read the comments. It was a moment, bro, when the Nike basketball sneakers was taking over. Kobe's was taking over, LeBron's was taking over, KD's. I mean, bro, it was crazy. This is like, oh my goodness, it feel like it was just yesterday. Time flies so fast, but regardless, Nike basketball was it. And the Wither was like the coldest line of the Nike basketball at the time, right? So you had the Wither LeBrons, you had the Wither KD's, you had the Wither Kobe's. Don't even get me started on the Wither Kobe 7s and the 8s. Like, bro, what? I actually got the Wither Kobe 7s. I don't have the H. And obviously, for obvious reasons, I'll never get the A's now. Like the price for those are so crazy after the untimely passing. But it was with the LeBron 11s that really made me starting to look into with the LeBrons a lot. I know a lot of people got on like the with LeBron 10s. The with the LeBron 9s was almost like, I don't know, like a fairy tale. You know, you only heard of those. Nobody really even seen those. That's like the MVP LeBron 9s or the with or whatever. But I bought these shoes from a friend of mine's uncle, and he lied to me. He lied to me straight up. Reason being is because these shoes, right, even right now, okay, these shoes are going for about, in my size, they're probably going for like $300, which you might think is a lot, but it retail for $250. And I think this shoe came out like 4 years ago. Let me check, because I think he on like LeBron 17 right now. So LeBron with the came out 2015. So this shoe is almost 6 years old, bro. It came out September 26, 2015. And on StockX right now, in my size 12, they going for $315. I can't make this up. Guys, I'm literally starting off my, 2015, I didn't even start my YouTube channel. I didn't even have my YouTube channel 2015. I started my YouTube channel 2017. So listen, this was college days. Like, I was like trying to hoop, not really knowing the game like that, but I knew that Nike basketball had a lot to offer. So I hit up my homie, you know what I'm saying? We used to always go and work out together, and he lived with his uncle. And he's telling me that his uncle was like selling a bunch of his shoes because he didn't want them no more. Now, even though I wasn't doing YouTube at the time, I still love sneakers, okay? Like, I'm not one of them guys that just started doing sneakers because YouTube kind of found its path. Now, don't get me wrong, I started taking sneakers a lot serious when it became like YouTube was my job. But before then, I still like shoes. So I told my homie to ask his uncle, what did he have in my size? And he had these LeBrons in my size. And at this time I had a little job. I wasn't making a lot of money, but I had a little job and I was able to, you know, save up. And I asked him like, hey, what do you have? And one of the shoes that he named was with the LeBron 12. I immediately went crazy because in my mind, all I heard was with the LeBron. And like I told you, at this time, Nike basketball, like with this was going crazy. So I'm like, man, I can't even believe he's selling something like this. Because there's a lot of stuff he was actually keeping. I'm like, what? Oh man, like, you know what I'm saying? He don't know, like he don't even know what he got. He about to sell me with the LeBron. Hey, bro, I'm about to pull up. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to come grab them. So I pull up to the crib and I asked Uncle straight up, like, hey bro, you know, how much for the with the LeBron 12s? He told me $500, bro. $500. And this is a lesson to all my young sneakerheads out there. Look, I wear this, I tell these stories now with like a badge of honor. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even embarrassed. I'm not sad. I'm not angry. It just is what it is. Listen, do your research before you buy shoes. Okay? Let me be the example. What I say, they say a smart man learns from his mistakes. A wise man learns from other people's mistakes. So if anybody wise, learn from my mistake. I did not do no research on this shoe. I thought I thought LeBron. I said, hey, look, I could probably sell this for about $800. I got like an $800 shoe. You giving it to me for $500. I paid $500 for these shoes, bro. If I would have been smart enough to know, like, first of all, by the time the with the LeBron came out, the with the hype kind of died down. I think the with the hype kind of died down around like the LeBron 10, 11 maybe, but by the 12, it was over with. I don't even think they really do with this like that. I see Jordan's doing with it now. I haven't seen Nike basketball do a with it to like a LeBron or KD, or I believe they did somewhat of a Kyrie before. I'm not sure, but I paid $500 for that shoe, and that was a lot of money at the time because it's a lot of money now, but at the time I was barely making ends meet, so that was money I had just saved for months and months and months. And as y'all can see, I did get some wears out of them. You know what I'm saying? I didn't wear them a lot, but I definitely got some wears out of them. But as I just look back, like I was just going through my closet today, just trying to pick out an outfit to wear. Y'all know that the fight is tonight. I don't know if this video might age well, whoever might see it, but the Mike Tyson versus Roy Jones fight is tonight. By the way, comment down below y'all think. I got Roy Jones on deck. I know Mike Tyson, like some big, strong, fast, huge old head, but Roy Jones has always been my favorite boxer of all time. I just like his style and charisma, and I got Roy Jones, okay? But anyway, I was just in my closet looking over some stuff, and don't get me wrong, like, a lot of y'all might think the shoe is booty. It's not the best LeBron, okay? I really don't even like the model, to be completely honest, but I paid $500 for these. Talk about an L, y'all. Talk about L. I don't even know. I think I took the biggest L of 2015 by spending $500 on these. I don't even think it was a point in time these are ever even worth $500, even close to $500. So, I mean, do y'all homework. You feel me? Hey, these story times, some of them was funny, but a lot of these just be pain, dog. A lot of these be these painful stories and these painful memories of me breaking up these times I got finessed. So, man, hey, hopefully this video was entertaining to you guys, man. $500. Let me know down below in the comment section, how much would you pay for these? If it's $5, put $5. I'm dying laughing, bro. How much would you pay for these? And if you understand, man, or matter of fact, the better question is, what shoe did you overpay for? Y'all know, if y'all know me, y'all know I read over my comments and I try to comment back in every video. So I will be paying attention to these comments, and I do want to know, since I'm sharing with y'all, share with me, what shoe did y'all ever overpay for? I mean, I want to know that. Mine's a LeBron 12 with this, you know what I'm saying? By the way, like I said, man, make sure y'all let me know if y'all rocking with the merch. I can't wait to drop this. So if you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that, because 70K is not too far. We just hit 68 and 70 is right there. I really want to drop these joints, man, but I'm waiting for that 70K, you feel me? Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. And until next time, man, it is your boy, Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.